Long ago in ancient China, 3 elderly monks walked dusty roads together. History forgot their names, but people remembered their unstoppable laughter forever. They were called the 3 Laughing Monks. Not teachers, not preachers, just laughing souls. Wherever they traveled, villages paused, markets slowed, and curious eyes followed them. Without words, they stood in town squares and laughed like children. At first, people stared, confused, uncomfortable, even slightly irritated. But laughter is contagious. Curiosity slowly turned into smiling faces. 1 smile became 2, then 10, then the entire square erupted laughing. Farmers, merchants, travelers forgot worries, debts, and deadlines in shared laughter. When joy filled the air completely, the monks quietly walked away together. This was their ritual, their meditation, their only teaching to the world. They believed laughter meditation was deeper than sermons or sacred texts. No lectures, no arguments, no philosophy debates, just pure, living joy. Across provinces, people welcomed them like blessings wrapped in laughter. Many whispered they discovered a cosmic joke hidden inside existence itself. Their message felt simple. Life isn't a burden, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to laugh, breathe, and experience this moment fully alive. Years passed, seasons changed, but their laughter never aged or weakened. Then, one winter morning in a northern village, everything shifted silently. One monk collapsed peacefully, his laughter ending without warning or fear. News spread quickly. Villagers rushed, expecting grief, tears, and mourning rituals. Instead, they found the remaining monks laughing louder than ever before. Shocked villagers whispered, questioning their humanity, compassion, even sanity. Finally, someone asked why there was laughter instead of sorrow. For the first time ever, the monks answered with smiling eyes. They explained a friendly bet made during yesterday's long walk. The bet was simple: who would leave the world first? Their friend won, fair and square, like a playful child. Death to them wasn't tragedy, it was completion. The departed monk even prepared a strange, joyful final request. He asked not to be washed or changed before cremation. His reason was simple: laughter kept him untouched by worldly filth. Villagers followed his wish, though confusion filled their silent hearts. The funeral pyre was lit, flames rising calmly into cold air. Suddenly, colors burst upward like fireworks painted by the universe. Gasps turned into laughter as awe replaced fear among the crowd. Joy returned, proving laughter survived even death itself. That moment sealed the legend of the 3 laughing monks forever. This is why the viral truth remains: the day laughter defeated death. This motivational story isn't about monks, it's about us. We overcomplicate life, carrying seriousness like an unnecessary burden. We believe happiness waits after success, money, or approval. But these monks taught inner peace exists right now. Joy doesn't need permission, explanations, or perfect conditions. Mindfulness through laughter frees the soul faster than constant thinking. When problems appear, we panic instead of smiling gently. Laughter doesn't erase problems, but it changes how we face them. A calm, joyful mind always finds clearer solutions. This ancient Zen wisdom whispers a rebellious modern truth. You are alive not to suffer endlessly, but to experience deeply. Stress shrinks when you stop taking life personally. The monks never escaped reality. They embraced it joyfully. That's why people across China respected them without understanding fully. Real spirituality doesn't look serious. Sometimes it looks playful. Imagine facing your mirror tomorrow and laughing honestly. Laugh at fear. Laugh at failure. Laugh at expectations. Not mocking life, but celebrating its fragile beauty. This is the forgotten power behind every life lesson story. Happiness grows when shared, not when guarded anxiously. The monks left no books, yet their teaching survived centuries. Because truth felt, not explained, stays alive longer. If this story touched something quiet inside you, stay curious. Another hidden lesson awaits, just beyond the next story. Walk with us again on the Honest Tales, where wisdom speaks softly.